Hi everybody, Sam here from Frugalisama with another prize reveal for So Frugal 22, which is a challenge that we are running over on Instagram during the month of March to make yourself a garment using a free pattern and using fabric from your stash. The reveal date is on the 31st of March. I'm sure you know the drill by now. Every day we've got 2 vloggers coming to you, giving you ideas and inspiration. And today we've got Cara from So Mad and we've got Hattie from Handmade by Hattie. So be sure to go check out their videos. They'll have lots of new ideas for you, lots of inspiration, and the playlist for that is down below in my description box. So today's prize reveal is from So Different. And Laura, the designer behind So Different, is a Yorkshire lass. She very generously provided us with a prize last year and was happy to do so again this year. So this year it's 1 PDF pattern to 1 lucky winner, and I thought I'd just show you some of the things that she's got on her website. A quick little story for you. Last year when we did Frugal Frocks, Ruan and I had never actually met each other. And Laura contacted us both to see if we wanted to go to her studio and pattern test for her, along with some other sewers. And we were quite keen to meet up with each other, so we actually went to her studio in Cleckheaton and eventually got to meet each other. And within about an hour, Ruan got a phone call to say that somebody in her household had got the disease that should not be named and had to go. So the meeting was very brief on that first occasion. But what Mandy's wearing today are the results of some of the things that I made for that pattern test. So last year Laura brought out the Layer Up collection, and that is kind of a Lagan look collection, so quite sort of bohemian in style. There's about 9 patterns in that collection. 3 jackets, a pair of trousers, a dress, a tunic and an apron. The ones that I made was the Folia frock, which you can't see under this jacket, I'll show you in a second. And then I think this is the Aurora jacket. And I just used what fabrics I had. So the Aurora jacket is just a little plain boxy jacket here. I think there are 2 sleeve lengths on this and a little bust out there, and then it's unlined but you've got just these facings, and I did actually go to town a little bit on the facings. I did this at home after I finished. So she makes a feature of this facing here by top stitching it at the back. So I did it in the contrast, what I had left from the dress. All these additions are all my own, putting the bias binding on and what have you there. So yeah, I went to town on that one a bit, and I've sort of done Hong Kong binding on all the seams and everything. So just a plain jacket, but you can make it as fancy as you like really. The Folia dress is, you can't actually see the details in any of the photographs that Laura's got on her website, but it's a really unusual dress. It has got a sleeved version. I did the sleeveless version because I didn't have enough fabric, and the bottom of the dress has got darts, so it gives you like a bubble hem, and then got pockets, patch pockets, which you can't see here, and then the sleeved version, they've got darts in it as well to reflect that bubble hem. So there are some really nice patterns in that collection. She's got lots of different collections. She's got some quick makes on there, and then she did the Gambit collection last year. So quite varied styles in her designs, I would say. I would say there was something for everybody. And actually she's got an offer on with the Layer Up collection. I think it's like buy 2 you get so much off, buy 3 you get so much off, buy 4 you get so much off. So that's the collections that she's got on there, and she does have quite a lot of free patterns on her website. So the one that I'm wearing today, which you can't see but I'll insert a picture, this used to be a free pattern. It's a paid for pattern now. It's the Easy Denim Dress, I think it's called. She had that on her website free for about 2 years. Obviously not perfect for this challenge, but perfect for using up scraps because it's paid for now. And a lot of the patterns that she's got on her website are free for size 12. She's got 10 sizes, so they go from UK size 8 to 26, which is a 33-inch bust up to a 45 3/4-inch bust. Maximum hip is 48 inches. A lot of the free patterns are at a size 12, except one, which is a lined jerkin, and that's a multi-sized one. It's not available in A0. I think it's only about 16 pages. and I've actually made that one as well. I did make some alterations to mine. I put a V-neck in it and a stepped hem, but it's such a basic pattern that you can do that. The line jerkin is just perfect for layering up. So if you look at some of the pictures, you can see that the layered up collection is intended to sort of give you that sort of bohemian Legan look style and all be worn together. And the little lined jerkin that goes with it, that sort of, you know, it cosies you up. It can go over the top of a long sleeve dress or tunic or something like that, or nice for wearing with jeans or leggings. So yeah, she's got lots of free patterns on her website, and actually this scrubs pattern is a multi-size one as well. Obviously we're not making scrubs at the moment, but that pattern was a scrubs pattern that myself and a group of us all used during the pandemic when we were making scrubs for hospices and things like that. So that's it from me today. I'll be back tomorrow with another prize reveal. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, that will tell you when I've got new videos out, and I will speak to you later. Bye.